This project is called the Photoshop Montage project. And there are so many things you can learn about Photoshop when doing this project. But more specifically, we are going to focus in on you demonstrating your use of using the editing software to edit your very own photographs. You will show your understanding of the tools and how you've mastered using layers. You can create them, edit them, group them, move them, and also use blending modes as well. There are so many other things that you can do in Photoshop. This is just a starting point, and I love this project because I really get to see our creativity in action. So from the top, this project is called the Photoshop Montage project. You are going to be creating a totally awesome or wicked composite image using photographs that you have already taken throughout the semester. Your mission is for you to create a Photoshop composite using only photographs you have taken and using the blending modes and layer masks in Photoshop to put them together in a unique and original design. Your goal, again, is to demonstrate your understanding of Photoshop, the tools, the basic editing, and how to use layers and layer adjustments. Your mission for this project is for you to create a composite image using only photographs that you have taken by blending them together in a unique way and an original design in Photoshop. The key to this is layering, blending modes, and layer masks. You will need to use some of the tricks that we've learned along the way and do some of your own research to create a unique and dynamic design. Number one, I want you to use your photographs. None off the internet or none of your friends. Want to use your photographs. They can be images you've taken with your DSLR camera this semester or with your cell phone, as long as they're your own. You can use at least one of your texture photographs within your collage to add some visual interest. You can use many more of them if you'd like. You must use Photoshop to create this project. There are many other digital tools out there that we can use, but for this, I really do want you to use Photoshop because that's what we're trying to master. You must use your creativity and imagination with this to come up with a unique and original design. When you're finished, it's up to you if you want to print off your final collage on good photo paper and display it in the hallway. It's optional, but I would love for you to do that if you want to. So this entry document is actually quite long because it has many steps, suggestions, and ideas for you. And I'm just going to skim the top here. A great place to start is by looking in our project folder in Echo and checking out the learning resources. I also have put together an inspirational presentation of ideas for you. And after you've collected the photographs that you would like to put together in a collage on your desktop or in a Google Drive folder, you're ready to start. You want to start a document from scratch in Photoshop, and I'm recommending that you use a US letter 300 DPI document. I do have a video for you on how to start a document from scratch, or you're more than welcome to try it on your own. But this is important that we start our document the right size so that way it's at high quality and we can print it when you're finished. You can make your design either go horizontal or vertical if you wish. The key to this project is by layering your photos together and trying out many different brushes and layer adjustments. You will learn so much along the way, and I cannot wait to see what you create. I'm going to scroll here to the second page to show you that I've put a few links in the project entry document for you of helpful tips for Photoshop, the rubric of how you'll be graded, and the link to the inspirational presentation with many ideas of different directions you can go with your collage. So these two images in the top of our entry document have been my sample graphics that I've made with my classes the past 2 years. And this is a Photoshop montage that I actually photoshopped together a photograph of a buffalo and a statue or a gargoyle of a buffalo together with a gradient mask and a blending mode of texture over the top. So this one was actually only about 5 different layers, and it turned out it looked pretty awesome. This is another one where I actually used the same buffalo picture, but I made the buffalo different sizes and I flipped it. I used a picture or two that I took in Arizona, and then this picture of this old truck. So this particular Photoshop montage is actually 6 different layers. This is an image, a resource image that was found online to inspire you, that if you like portrait photography and would like to go that direction with your Photoshop montage, that there are many ideas out there. The key to this one is many layers and to try out some awesome texture and maybe even add some custom paint brushes in along the way. There are also some layer masks and layer adjustments in this particular composition. Check out my inspiration presentation for many more ideas. Again, your learning goal for this is for you to showcase your knowledge of Photoshop and that you've mastered how to use layers. If you need help along the way, please let me know. I'm here to help you. I can't wait to see what you create. And thanks for watching.